Welcome back to the course Approaches of Assessment. And I welcome you all to for the topic 2 comparison of FA formative assessment and SA summative assessment. In the topic 1 we have understood what the assessment is, what are the types of assessment are, and the brief introduction of the three types of assessment. The types of assessment are assessment for learning or formative assessment of learning or summative assessment as learning or self assessment. The formative assessment assesses the student's progress and learning needs during the instructional period, and the summative assessment assesses what the students have learned. Formative assessment is for improving the quality of learning, while the summative assessment is to judge the learning. That is what we have learned in topic 1. Now, in this topic 2, let us proceed to see the comparison of formative assessment and summative assessment. Number 1. The nature of formative assessment is formative, that is, to increase quality in learning, whereas the nature of the summative assessment is summative, that is, to judge the quality of learning. 2. The nature of formative assessment is informal, whereas the summative assessment is formal. There will be some announcement of the test. So and so day, so and so date, the test will be taken like that. Number 3. The focus of measurement of formative assessment is process oriented. Formative assessment tests how the learning is going on, whereas the focus of measurement of summative assessment is product oriented. It tests what has been learned. Summative assessment is always concerned with product or result. Number 4. Formative assessment is used during the teaching learning process because its nature is to increase the quality of learning. But summative assessment is used after the teaching learning process. Number 5. Formative assessment is a continuous process and a regular process, but summative assessment is periodic. It comes only after a specific instructional period. Number 6. Formative assessment is used to provide information on how to improve the achievement. But the summative assessment is used to certify students' competence. 7. Formative is used to identify and to respond the students' needs, but summative is used to just give ranks or sorting the students. 8. The aim of the formative assessment is to improve students' learning as well as teachers' teaching, whereas the purpose of summative is to evaluate students' achievement of learning. 9. The aim of formative is to monitoring learning, whereas the aim of summative is to evaluate the learning. 10. Formative assessment is diagnostic and formative in nature. It identifies areas for improvement, but summative is summative in nature, judgmental. It arrives at a grade or score. That's all. Formative assessment pinpoints specific strengths and weaknesses of the students, whereas the summative assessment gives ranks and sorts students within different groups, A group, A plus group, like that. The formative assessment will have high impact on learning, whereas the summative assessment will have limited impact on learning. So this is the comparison of formative assessment and summative assessment. Thank you one and